Welcome to WebSolvers. In this video, I will show you how to remove arrows from desktop shortcut icons in Windows. It works for Windows 10 and Windows 11. So, the arrow overlay on desktop shortcut icons can be removed in Windows by editing the registry or using a third-party utility. Here is how to do it. Press Window R to bring up Run dialog. Type regedit regedit and press OK. This is registry editor. Navigate to this location. H key local machine. Expand it. Software. Expand Microsoft. Scroll down and select Windows. Then select CurrentVersion. And here select Explorer. Explorer. Right click Explorer. New. Select key. Name this key. Shell icons, then select shell icon, right click, new, string value, name it 29, hit enter, and use this value. If this doesn't work, keep this section blank, or instead of -50, use -51. But first try this. Press OK. Now restart File Explorer or your computer for change to take effect. Now these are the icons. Windows Explorer, restart. Now as you can see, the arrows are gone, but there is a black box or this blank box. To fix that, double click 29, delete this value, press OK, restart Windows Explorer, and see those arrows are gone. These are shortcuts, not the axes. And to cancel this effect, open registry editor again, go to shell icons and remove this entry 29. Right click delete. Restart Explorer and the arrows on the shortcuts are back. Arrows are back. You can also do this in an easy way. This is a free program, Winaero Tweaker. Download it, install it, and this is the program. From this, search shortcuts. Double click this shortcuts and click shortcut arrow. Select no arrow. Restart Explorer. And there you go. No arrows. To revert it, select Windows Default. Restart Explorer. And the arrows are back on shortcuts. So this is how you can remove arrows from shortcuts in Windows. Using this little utility, it is easy by using this little utility. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.